Welcome back. If you love history, you'll be amazed by these fun and mind-boggling historical facts. Starting off, did you know that the shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes? It happened between Britain and the Sultan of Zanzibar in 1896. Next, Abraham Lincoln, before his presidency, was known for being an exceptional wrestler. It's interesting to think of him in such a different light. Next, the Eiffel Tower was originally designed to be a temporary structure. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, it was almost dismantled afterward. Next, woolly mammoths were still alive when the Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed, making both ancient wonders related in time. And lastly, here's a quirky fact. The ancient Romans used urine to clean their clothes. It may sound strange, but it was quite effective. History is rich with surprises and stories waiting to be uncovered. Stay curious and keep exploring new facts about our past.